Hi there, I'm AYB, founder of SPAG AI. So today um, we'll be looking into who I am and what I do. So I'll walk you through my automation story and tell you about Zapier, Make.com, Nocodesquare, SPAG AI, our services, AI automation, and what to expect on this channel. So let's jump straight into it. So who I am and what I do. So my name is Ogemi Aibami, also known as AYB. I'm the founder of SPAG AI, and I am an automation expert who help businesses save time, cut costs, so they can scale their business faster through automation. Right? Yeah, I my automation story. I dropped out of uni to follow my passion in automation. That was like 2023. I self-learned Zapier, and then I started a community called Geek Guru. That was 2023 with some of my friends. We just we're just bunch of no code enthusiasts. And we're running webinars bi-weekly. And I also then co-founded No Code Square, which was like a rebranded version of Geek Guru. That was like 2024, right? We're still going to go into No Code Square, right? So I was actually a medical laboratory scientist, although I didn't finish the degree. I was, so this is me in the lab. This is me with my colleagues, right? I, so Zapier is one of our internal tools in, in Spark AI. We actually use Zapier because Zapier has this user friendly interface. And most of our clients actually find it easy to actually adopt Zapier, and then even their team also find it easy to adopt it. So that's why we actually use Zapier. Another reason is Zapier actually has a very robust app directory. They have about over 8,674 apps that they can connect through through Zapier via API. So they have a very robust API. Um, and then we also use Make.com. Make.com is very much more um, malleable, right? It's flexible, so that whenever there are some things that we can't really run on Zapier, we use Make.com because it also extend is furthermore just help us to serve our clients better. That's why we use Make.com. So No Code Square is the community I co-founded with four of my friends. That was December 2024. Our goal was just to have a safe house where business owners and freelancers, founders, can build with no code and AI, and they can just feel comfortable, have chill out, and have fun with people that are doing the same thing they are doing. So although we are building from Africa, we are not building just for Africans. Our goal is to extend this passion to other parts of the world. That's why we are just pushing this from frontier. We have started hitting our goals, right? We are currently running a year-long webinars where we are just equipping members how to use some no-code tools, and that's been a very fun ride. So what is SPAG AI? SPAG AI is the my AI automation agency where I am the CEO, right? We help businesses automate their sales, their marketing, their customer service, and just every aspect in their business where they're just doing grunt work, and then they just need to like make things go faster, right? Um, that's exactly what we do. So we specialize in using, like I said earlier, Zapier, Make.com, Edible Notion. We also do AI integration and process automation. We consult on AI implementation and AI adoption in startup teams and even just focus groups actually trying to build something. So our services, we have Zapier and Make.com workflow automation. We also run AI integration, CRM and sales process automation, AI powered chatbots and assistants. And if you need any of these services, you can just contact us. AI automation is not just a buzzword. I know a lot of people are just like getting it all wrong, right? It is just it's the future of work, where we can have can write a program, we can just drag and drop modules, and things can just run by themselves. We're even getting to the much more agentic world where we just have to run agents and things will just run by itself. And it's actually a fun place to be, and it's something that we are really bullish about. That's exactly why we want to help businesses um, bridge this knowledge gap and all this technical gap, so that they can also be able to serve their own customers at the best capacity. So exactly why we are bullish on AI. And then what should you expect going forward from this channel? Expect educational content. I will be dropping tutorials, live webinars, case studies. I'm going to also be dropping behind the scene while we are building SPAG AI and Nocodesquare. And I'll be dropping some tips and strategies of how business owners can actually scale with automation and AI. So we're in for a very, very wonderful ride. I urge you not to miss any one of it. I'm going to be dropping videos weekly. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and then just comment and just send me name. Just do all the fun stuff that you do on YouTube. See you guys in the next one. Bye.